Christian Romualdi is the IMA Ilapak Marketing Communication Manager. We are at Gulfood Manufacturing 2024. Christian, the IMA Group is always present at this exhibition with especially the food division. How important is this fair for your business?
This exhibition is very important for us because Gulfood Manufacturing is the main exhibition for the Middle East area. And of course, we are here as IMA Group and especially with the food division, with the food companies of IMA. So we focus the attention especially on tea and herbs, coffee industry, bakery, protein, produce, stock cubes, savory, dairy, cheese, and many others.
What IMA companies are involved?
The IMA companies involved in the show are the IMA Flex Hub, so in this case IMA Ilapak, IMA Eurosigma and IMA Record, and as well as all the IMA dairy and food companies like IMA Benil, IMA Erka, IMA Asia, and also IMA Fish Shape.
I've noticed that you have recently launched a new campaign relating a complete packaging lines. Can you tell us more?
Yes, as IMA Flex Hub, this year in September, we launched the campaign at the center of your next complete flexible packaging line. Infinite solution, just one up. So this is another step after the first one we launched a couple of years ago, was focused on the one-stop supplier for the flexible packaging industry. In this case, we would like to say that we can offer from feeding, dosing, manipulation, handling solution up to primary, secondary, and end-of-line solution. This is because we cooperate also with the end-of-line hub, so we can offer complete packaging line for the food industry, for, in some cases, for the pharma industry, just as IMA Ilapak, and for the pet food and the wet wipe industry. Part of the IMA Flex Hub is IMA Ilapak, vertical and horizontal packaging machine, also with stand-up pouch for solids, also with weighing, dosing, and feeding solution, with record, with horizontal solution, also with IMA Eurosigma that has historically played a relevant role in this market, in the EMEA and Middle East market, and also North Africa, offering solution, feeding and handling and primary packaging solution, floor wrapping solution for biscuits, cakes, noodles, and candies markets.
Illustrate us which solution you are showcasing at the fair.
Yes, we have a couple of machines on display. We have the IMA Ilapak Vegatronic 2000 ml. This is the most innovative intermittent vertical bagging solution available today in the market, and it features flexibility in pack formats and also an open frame structure that ensures unparalleled accessibility for cleaning and maintenance. This machine can switch between heat sealing films and LDPE, as well as between pillow packs and stand-up pouches without the need for tools. On display, we also have the new PDP24 press for bouillon cubes from IMA Corazza, which processes up to 4,000 ppm and stands out for reliability, consistent quality, and easy maintenance. IMA is the only supplier to manufacture and deliver complete lines for pressed and passed bouillon cubes, from process and wrapping to end-of-line solutions.
So thank you so much to Christian Romualdi and IMA Group, and have a great Gulfood Manufacturing.
Thank you very much, Sonia. See you next time at the next exhibition. Thank you.